What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on software engineering concepts in Python. And today we are going to look at any versus object in Python type hinting for interviews and also for exams and also in Python development. Check out the playlist. Today we are looking at type hints versus in Python actually. So type hints in Python actually help developers catch errors before runtime and improve code readability. And two most commonly used actually confused type hints are the any and also the objects, which seem similar but actually have fundamental differences in how they interact with type checkers. And the any type essentially disables type checking for automated variables, allowing any operation or assignment without restriction. Meanwhile, object represents the most general built-in type but still enforces type checking rules for operations. So when you use any, you are telling the type checker that don't check this, whereas with object you are saying check this according to the normal rules of the type system. So we'll check. So over here we have an example code, practical example of a code which you can play around with. So we have the any no type checker warning type here, so you can run this and try to output it in your IDE to see how it works. We also have this, the process obj, okay, where we have the with object, okay. Yeah, so you can try it out, okay, and then see how it works. Okay, so any and then the object. So you actually use when you want type checkers to verify only universally valid like repr and like str are performed on a variable. That's the object. And with the any, you use temporarily opt out of you used to temporarily opt out of the type checking when gradually adopting type annotations or when working with highly dynamic code where typing is impractical. Yeah, so that's it. Do well to try the example, the practical example, and let us know how it went in the comments section. Thank you for watching.